Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video, I am going to show you how to structure your Facebook ad account so that you can scale without even thinking what's going to work, what's not going to work. So, with the help of this structure, you will be able to see the data so clearly that you are able to scale within a few months. As you can see on the screen, I started this ad account on 1st November 2023 until 13th November. We didn't run any kind of crazy amount of ads, right? And after a couple of days only, when we entered into December 2023, we got some sales. From there only, I scaled this to the amount we are spending around $500 per daily. In till now in February, as you can see, 930 purchases with 8x to 9x ROS. So today I'm in this video I'm going to share with you how to structure these ads and how to run the ads so that you can get results exactly like this. Let's hop into my test ad account where I'll show you how to structure these ads. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate more than 40 million in revenue for my clients. So for those who wish to work with me or want me to run ads for them, you can book a call directly. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any kind of doubt regarding Facebook ads, feel free to put your questions in the comment section. I will be very happy to answer these questions and able to solve your problems. And now you are in my test ad account. This is a fresh ad account. Let's start from the top. So when you are start running ads, you need to see your business. What kind of products you are selling? What kind of products people are liking? Is there any need in the market for the product or whatever kind of business you are running? There are some kind of best sellers you have figured out till now when you start running the ads, right? So you need to create ads on the basis of your best sellers. What kind of best sellers you have, what kind of media creatives you have, what kind of images or videos you have, what kind of UGC content you have. You need to create a content folder for you so that you can easily see what kind of images videos you have for the ad account. Hit the create button. Obviously this is for the e-commerce, and obviously we are going to use sales campaign. We'll choose manual sales campaign so that we have better control on what we are going to choose in the ad set level and campaign level. Hit the continue button. This is for the e-commerce. So first we are creating a prospecting campaign where we are reaching out to the cold audiences. We'll name it as a broad sales campaign, or you can write sales campaign only. We are not using catalog over here. We are not testing A/B test. We are not using any A/B test, right? We will choose it. We will do the A/B testing ourselves. We don't need the Facebook tool. We are not using Advantage Campaign Budget Plus. It is CBO, right? Now you are in the ad set level. Your conversion location is website because you are selling on online store. Maximum your performance goal is maximum number of conversion. You can use maximum value of conversion if you have multiple products. You can test this. Choose your correct pixel and choose your conversion event as a purchase. If you choose any other, you won't get sales. If you choose add to cart, payment info, add to wishlist, initiate checkout, you won't get any sales. You will get what you asked from the Facebook. I've seen people running add to cart also and then complaining about that Facebook ad is not for them. But the thing is, you are running Facebook ads in such a wrong manner. Just choose your website as the destination and choose correct pixel and choose the correct event, that is sales or purchase. That's it. We are not going to use dynamic creative for now. Choose your budget. You can start small with the $5 also, or if you have a little bit more daily spend limit, you can choose $10. Choose the correct location. In this case we have United States, right? Switch to original audiences. Use original audiences because when you use Advantage Plus audiences, Facebook, it is not something that is really new because we are actually using a broad audiences, and most of the time when we use Advantage Plus, Facebook tends to go broad, so we automatically using that Advantage Plus until unless you have proven thing that your customers are from this particular range. You don't need to choose the age group, just keep it broad. You always this will increase the opportunity that person can buy, right? Choose gender. If you have a gender specific products like something for female that only female can use, right? If you don't have that data, go for all genders. You will automatically get to know what gender of people are buying from you, and then you can make a data driven decision, right? Whole point of this Facebook ad is to be so data driven that you don't need to guess these things. Advantage plus detail plus targeting. Always go broad, right? I'll just create a one ad set where I am not choosing any detailed targeting, right? I will call it as a open sale US, right? I will talk about ads also, but just let me set up the structure. We'll create 2 3 audiences where I will be choosing very broad interest also. For example, online shopping, right? You can keep it as keeping it really simple. And clothing, if it is related to the clothing. When I showed you my actual ad account where I was talking about the numbers, it was around shoes. So I just generally go broad with the shoes, right? And there are some category where it was about the female slippers and that kind of stuff. I chose like broad interest that is really above million. So what is the benefit of choosing the broad? Choosing the broad interest will increase the opportunity. You can scale those interests so easily that you didn't even imagine, like what Facebook will do to your business, right? It will increase your sales so crazily. You will be able to scale so quickly that you will go crazy. We are not choosing any manual placement. We will go with the advantage plus placements in these ad set. And always remember to name your ad sets. We'll create one broad sales campaign where we are putting our ads. Now you must be thinking what kind of ads you need to run, right? So each ad set will have 3 ads. Ad 1, ad 2, ad 3. Not more than 3 ads. Why? Because when you create multiple ads in the single ad set, Facebook will only tend to spend money on 1 or 2 ads, because we are spending little bit amount like $5 or $10. So Facebook doesn't have lot of money to spend around lot of ads. To give these ads a fair chance, we will opt for 3 ads only. You don't need to add 7 10 or that kind of ads. Just keep it simple, 3 ads, right? 3 ads of your bestseller, 1 to 3. Now copy these ads into other interests also in online shopping and open. Now what we will do is create a retargeting campaign. In 2024, you need to launch your retargeting ads, right? You are losing a big opportunity if you are not running a retargeting sales campaign, right? Because you need to retarget the people. As we are growing in digital world, the attention span of the people has become lower and lower. So we need to make people remember about our product if they somehow miss it, right? And we are not going to spend any crazy amount of money. We are just spending our 20% of the budget. It's just simple, keeping it very simple. So here when we are creating our ad set within the retargeting campaign, we will choose our website visitors. Hit the create button. Now we will add our custom audiences in retargeting campaign. Here we are running 2 types of retargeting ads. One is on the middle funnel where people who are interacted with our Instagram or Facebook, they will get collected in the right in the custom audience. And one is our website visitor. We are not deep diving into add to carts, initiate checkout. We are just going, will go to the all website visitor 30 days. If you have large pool of data, you can go with the bigger amount and test out the days section. All website visitors 30 days. Hit the create button, right? And you can exclude your purchases also. Now we have to create another ad set. Here if you don't have any good organic following, like people are not doesn't know about your brand, you can club your audiences like Facebook, Instagram. So here you are selecting Instagram, and everyone who engage with this professional account, it will include each and everybody. 365 is a day, IG 365 days. All right, remove this website visitors, custom audience, Facebook page, everyone who engage with your page. Facebook 365 days. Only testing you need to do in the retargeting is the number of days that is bringing you most of the sales. It can be 60, 90, 30. You need to test this, and don't turn on this advantage custom audience and reach beyond your custom audience when it is likely to improve performance. You don't want We are running a prospecting cold audience campaign separately, so we don't want our retargeting ads to convert into cold audiences ads. I've created broad sales campaign, retargeting sales campaign. Now third campaign you need to create is for your testing, where you are testing, and when you test the ads and you get the some kind of concrete result, you shift it to the broad sales campaign and let them run forever. I never turn off my campaigns. I'll just show you what I'm saying. Go to sales, and how you can now the question arises how you can test your ad creatives. New sale ad sets, right? So here what you're going to do is use this tool dynamic creative, and go to the your ad section. Now you need to create a dynamic ads, where you need to choose three ads, right? And those three ads need to be three images, three videos. You cannot mix match those three videos and three images, like two images, one video, two videos, one images, or whatever combination you are thinking of. You only need to use images or videos. All right, now you need to create two primary text and two headlines, three creatives, either video or images, two primary text, and two headlines. This will give around 12 ads for the dynamic creative feature to play around, sending people directly to your either collection page or a product page. Now with the help of this, you have a big range of ads to test around, right? So I have created the sales campaign for testing, broad sales campaign, retargeting sales campaign. Once you have lot of data, then you can go with the lookalike. But in the starting, you don't need to go with the lookalike audience also. It will like burn your money. You don't want to do that if you have some kind of restriction on the budget. But if you are good, then like you can test out your lookalike audiences also. Here in the sales campaign, you need to create multiple ad set with dynamic creative, testing different ads, product or collection or videos, right? Create multiple ad set with the dynamic creative and test multiple things, so that you can increase your efficiency and increase the number of sales. So that's it for the video. Just go and launch these ads and see what kind of results you are getting. This will definitely help you in scaling your business. Just go to your ads manager and start creating these ad sets. Pause the video, create the ad sets the way I am showing, name them correctly, name your ads correctly, so you don't get confused what is working, what is not working. These structures are really important when you are scaling.